Hang on to those seats as we go through the top awesome DIY tools you did not know existed. Starting off with a rack magnetic wristband. The rack magnetic wristband is a handy tool that can help you keep your screws, nails, and other small tools organized and within reach. It is perfect for DIYers, mechanics, and anyone else who uses small tools on a regular basis. The rack magnetic wristband is made of a durable nylon strap with a strong magnet on the inside. The magnet can hold up to 100 screws, nails, or other small tools at a time, so you can keep all of your tools in one place. The rack magnetic wristband is also easy to use. Simply place the tools in the wristband and they will be held in place by the magnet. The rack magnetic wristband is a great way to keep your tools organized and accessible. It is also a great way to prevent tools from getting lost or damaged. The rack magnetic wristband is a small, affordable, and easy to use tool that can be a valuable addition to your toolbox. Here are some of the benefits of using a rack magnetic wristband. It keeps your tools organized and within reach. It prevents tools from getting lost or damaged. It is small, affordable, and easy to use. If you are looking for a way to keep your tools organized and accessible, the rack magnetic wristband is a great option. Order yours today. Here are some additional tips for using a rack magnetic wristband. Place the wristband on your wrist so that the magnet is facing down. Be careful not to drop the rack magnetic wristband, as this could damage the magnet. If the magnet becomes weak, you can clean it with a mild soap and water solution. If the rack magnetic wristband becomes dirty, you can wipe it clean with a damp cloth. By following these tips, you can ensure that your rack magnetic wristband will last for many years to come. And then we have unbreakable sledgehammer. The unbreakable sledgehammer is the perfect tool for any job that requires a powerful and durable impact. With its unbreakable handle and heavy-duty head, this sledgehammer can handle even the toughest jobs with ease. The unbreakable sledgehammer is made with a high-quality, impact-resistant handle that is built to last. The handle is also ergonomically designed for comfort and control, making it easy to use even for extended periods of time. The unbreakable sledgehammer's head is made of high-carbon steel that is forged for strength and durability. The head is also heat-treated for added toughness, making it resistant to chipping and cracking. The unbreakable sledgehammer is the perfect tool for a variety of jobs, including demolition, construction, landscaping, auto repair, and general maintenance. With its unbreakable handle and heavy-duty head, the unbreakable sledgehammer can handle even the toughest jobs with ease. Here are some additional benefits of using the unbreakable sledgehammer. It is made of high-quality materials and is built to last. It is comfortable to use and easy to control. It is versatile and can be used for a variety of jobs. It is backed by a lifetime warranty. If you are looking for a powerful and durable sledgehammer that can handle even the toughest jobs, the unbreakable sledgehammer is the perfect choice for you. Then we have the incredible SOG Multi-Tool Belt Buckle. The SOG Multi-Tool Belt Buckle is a handy and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is a great way to keep your tools organized and accessible, and it can save you the hassle of having to carry around a separate tool bag. The multi-tool belt buckle typically includes a variety of tools, such as pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, and a bottle opener. It is made of durable materials and is designed to withstand heavy use. The multi-tool belt buckle is also easy to use and can be quickly deployed when needed. The multi-tool belt buckle is a great addition to any EDC kit. It is perfect for people who are always on the go and need a reliable tool to get the job done. The multi-tool belt buckle is also a great gift for the handyman or DIY enthusiast in your life. Here are some of the benefits of using a multi-tool belt buckle. It is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It is versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks. It is durable and can withstand heavy use. It is easy to use and can be quickly deployed when needed. If you are looking for a handy and versatile tool that can help you get the job done, the SOG Multi-Tool Belt Buckle is a great option. And then we have Write in the Rain Weatherproof Top Spiral Notebook. The Write in the Rain Weatherproof Top Spiral Notebook is the perfect notebook for taking notes in any weather condition. The pages are made of a special water-resistant paper that will not bleed through or become illegible when wet. The notebook also has a durable, weather-resistant cover that will protect your notes from the elements. The weatherproof top spiral notebook is perfect for use in a variety of settings, including construction sites, outdoor activities, camping trips, fishing trips, and anywhere else where you might get wet. The weatherproof top spiral notebook is also great for students, professionals, and anyone else who needs to take notes on the go. The small size and lightweight design make it easy to carry with you wherever you go. The weatherproof top spiral notebook is a must-have for anyone who needs to take notes in any weather condition. It is the perfect notebook for anyone who wants to be prepared for anything. Here are some of the benefits of using a weatherproof top spiral notebook. The pages are made of a special water-resistant paper that will not bleed through or become illegible when wet. The notebook has a durable, weather-resistant cover that will protect your notes from the elements. The notebook is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. The notebook is affordable, making it a great value for your money. If you are looking for a notebook that can withstand any weather condition, the Write in the Rain Weatherproof Top Spiral Notebook is the perfect choice for you. Now we have a look at Hall Original Rolling Knife Sharpener. The Hall Original Rolling Knife Sharpener is a revolutionary new way to sharpen your knives. It uses a patented rolling mechanism to quickly and easily sharpen your knives to a razor-sharp edge. The rolling knife sharpener is perfect for all types of knives, including kitchen knives, pocket knives, and hunting knives. The Hall Original Rolling Knife Sharpener is easy to use. Simply place your knife on the sharpener and roll it back and forth. The sharpener will do the rest. The Hall Original Rolling Knife Sharpener is also safe to use. The sharpening stones are made of industrial diamonds, which are harder than any knife steel. This means that your knives will not be damaged when you sharpen them with the Hall Original Rolling Knife Sharpener. The sharpener is also very affordable. It is a fraction of the cost of other knife sharpeners on the market. The Hall Original Rolling Knife Sharpener is a great value for your money. If you are looking for a quick, easy, and affordable way to sharpen your knives, then the Hall Original Rolling Knife Sharpener is the perfect solution for you. Order your Hall Original Rolling Knife Sharpener today and start enjoying razor-sharp knives in no time. If you are looking for a high-quality knife sharpener that is easy to use and affordable, then the Hall Original Rolling Knife Sharpener is the perfect choice for you. Then we have Works Pegasus Multifunction Work Table and Sawhorse. The Works Pegasus Multifunction Work Table and Sawhorse is a versatile and portable work surface that can be used for a variety of projects. It is perfect for DIYers, professionals, and anyone else who needs a sturdy and reliable work surface. The Pegasus is made of high-quality materials and is built to last. It is made of a durable ABS plastic with steel supports and fittings. The Pegasus is also lightweight and easy to move, making it ideal for use in a variety of settings. The Pegasus can be used as a work table, sawhorse, or even a temporary workbench. It is also equipped with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs, which allow you to secure a variety of materials in place. The Pegasus also has a built-in storage shelf, which is perfect for storing tools and supplies. The Pegasus is a great value for your money. It is affordable, durable, and easy to use. It is the perfect addition to any home or workshop. Here are some of the benefits of using a Works Pegasus Multifunction Work Table and Sawhorse. It is made of high-quality materials and is built to last. It is lightweight and easy to move, and it is versatile and can be used for a variety of projects. If you are looking for a sturdy and reliable work surface that is also portable and affordable, the Works Pegasus Multifunction Work Table and Sawhorse is the perfect choice for you. If you liked this video, then you will probably love this one too.